What is going on, everybody? It's Big Wes here. This is going to be a shorter video, but just as interesting, I hope, to you guys. I got a comment on one of my videos a long time ago from Lord Zukara, and I'll put it on screen now. But basically just saying he was recommending that I make a video showing how to take care of your contacts. And so I think that's a good idea. I haven't really showed you guys that before. I kind of just show you in passing, or I haven't done it in a while. So I'm just going to show you guys what I do when I get new contacts, how to just take care of them, how to set them up so I'll be good to wear them and they're safe. So basically I'm just going to show you just what I do. So here's some contacts from coloredcontacts.com. I've used them before, but I'll double check for you guys. But here, I got the package open. It's real simple. So it's kind of be like the first half of my other videos. Here's just some paperwork, just saying thank you. From Twinkle Lens again, actually, never mind. Yeah, so here is their packaging. Really nice, I like it. It's just big and pretty professional looking. So inside of here comes a pretty heavy duty lens case, I'd say. I like it. As well as the plungers and some tweezers if you prefer putting in your eye that way. I'm not good at it that way. You guys know I'm barely good at just putting in my eye with my finger. So I won't be using the plungers. And here is the actual contacts. These are just basic regular Sharingan ones. I just got it opened up. You can see just the regular Sharingan inside. So in terms of setup, all you need to do is just go to the store. Not any specific brand of contact solution, but this is just the one I found picked up at like a Shoppers Drug Mart. So aside from that, you don't really need anything else because these companies, a lot of the ones that I picked from, they send you everything else that you need. So you don't need to go buy, your own contact lens case and other things like that. So just straight up what I do, I'll just do one at a time to show you guys. So I opened up the lens case so you can see the lid's off, it's there. I take the solution and I just pour some in there, fill it up a bit, and then we're good to go. So then these contacts, the way these guys do it, it's kind of thick, but just open it up right there. And sometimes make it easy, just, pour out all the liquid, who cares? I don't do it like that again, that didn't work out pretty well. I just take the contact out of there, and then I just take the case, and just stick the contact into the solution. So I like to get it upside down, so it's like the way, leaking out. So the way that you put it on your finger, or the way that's going to be on your eye, it's curved correctly. That way you can just pick it up, it sits on your finger, you can take it out and put it in your eye. So that's just what I like to do to make it easy, but that's all you got to do. All right, and then also if you just want to make sure it's good, I also just top it up a little bit, put some more solution on the top. And then I just seal it pretty tight. Depending on how hot it is where you are, the air or the solution in the air can evaporate, and then your contact's actually just left dry. So I'm just gonna open up the second one, do the same thing, and get both of them in there. So this time I'll just peel off the back. So it's still sitting in there this time. So this way I'll just put my finger in and pick it up. And so yeah, like this, it's backwards right now. You can tell because you can't see the dots properly, they're faded. So I just kind of flip it around so it's like that, and then I'll put it in the solution down like this. So it's the curve, the bowl side is up in the air. So you got it in the case, just gonna top it up a little bit. And then put the lid on pretty tight. So yeah, all right, so yeah, you can see I got the contacts in there. So they're both sitting in there. It's kind of messed up, but yeah, you guys can see they're in there. So they're in the solution, they're sitting. So after that, I just leave them in there for a full 24 hours before I put them in my eye. After this, that's the last step. You don't gotta do anything, just wait a day and then be able to put them right into your eye and wear them, and you have the effect that you want and you'll be safe and everything's good. So that's all I got today, a really quick video, but that's what I do for my contacts. Pretty simple, so I thought it was straightforward. So like and comment, share this video with someone who's a cosplayer or someone who wants to just, try out some new contacts. Subscribe, don't want to miss out on all the new videos. Ring the bell too so you're notified as soon as they're out and online. So that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys really soon. Peace out.